This is the first snowstorm for winter 2020, for winter 2025. Today is January the 19th. It's a Sunday, and that's the snowstorm here. This is Sheila's car right there. Take a quick walk. You guys, first snowstorm, first winter. For 2025. It's not that bad. I thought it would have been worse, but it's not. But tomorrow, all these things gonna freeze over. So right now, I'm trying to see if I can, as you can see here, I'm trying to see if I can go and clean one of the, I'm gonna clean the other vehicle, but I'm gonna go and clean the company's vehicle to now take out the snow on it, because all that snow will turn to ice tomorrow. Yeah. Not the worst, you know, a few inches. Yeah. You gotta do a little smiley face on that person's car right there. A little smiley face. Oh, must be the same person, because they did one on this guy. They did one, yeah, same person, must be. Yeah. That's the plow right there. That's the plow, the truck, the trash truck, and the plow. You gotta get out of there, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Take a walk over here. First snowstorm for the year. I'm just taking a walk. See, this guy put some salt. You see how decent, how clean it is already? Put some salt here, but that thing gonna freeze over. Yeah. See, they put some salt. Yeah, it's clear already, which is good. Taking a walk down there. Let me see how bad the company looking, but I put a little smiley face here. Let me see how bad it is. I don't know how bad it would be. Hi, how are you? Alright. She live on the same street that we do. Yeah, same person as we put in smiley face. All the vehicles. Yeah. Just checking it out. Yeah, that's a company vehicle. I don't know if the brush is in there or not, but not too much, not that bad. How's it's not that bad. Yeah, I gotta clean that up. Yeah, I'll just clean that up. Alright guys, let me clean that up. We'll talk in a bit. Thank you guys. Have a good night, guys. First snowstorm for 2025, Sunday, January 19th, 2025. Thank you guys.